If you want to make the clock smaller on the home screen on the Motorola Signature, what you can do is you can use a different widget. So in this case, if you press and hold your finger on this clock widget that we have by default, you can drag and drop it on this remove section. And after that, we can add a new one that will be much smaller. So press and hold your finger on an empty space on the home screen and go to widgets. Now in here, search for the clock app. And if we go over here, we should be able to find a bunch of different clocks that we can use. In my case, I'm going to use this digital one. So I'm going to tap on it. Actually, I'm going to press and hold and then drop it on the home screen just like that. And then we can choose the clock style. So you can choose to have a clock with a solid color behind it. So we have a background, or you can make it transparent. In my case, I'm going to choose transparent. And as you can see, now we have a much smaller clock that we can position in any of these places. So you can of course still extend it if you want, so you can make it actually much bigger or even much smaller in case you want to do that. And there we go. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.